Welcome to Merivit Education Center. This lesson is for Mathematics Pratham 6. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Leslie. Today we're going to talk about 3D or three-dimensional shapes. These figures are solid and you could hold them in your hand. 3D shapes are everywhere and we have to learn about them. So let's start. They are called 3D because they have three dimensions. They have length, width, and height. Let's first discuss the properties of 3D shapes. 3D shapes have faces. Uh-oh, not that kind of face. A face is a flat surface on a 3D shape. Next are the edges, the lines where two faces meet. The corners or vertices are where two or more edges meet. Surface is the curved part of a 3D shape. We can also call it curved face. The bottom part of a 3D shape is called base. Let's review the properties of 3D shapes. The flat surface of a 3D shape is called face. Edge is the line where two faces meet. The corner or vertex is where two edges meet. The curved part of a 3D shape is called surface. We can also call it curved face. Lastly, the base. It is the bottom part of a 3D shape. Here are some of the common 3D shapes we see around us. The first is a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional shape with 6 square faces, 12 edges, 8 corners, or 8 vertices. Can you name some objects that are cubes? A sphere is a three-dimensional solid figure which is perfectly round in shapes and every point. It has one surface or curved face. It has no edges, no corners or vertices. Can you name some objects that are spheres? Good job! Cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two faces. It has two equal circles on its ends. It has one surface. It has no edges, no corners, and vertices. Can you name some objects that are cylinders? Good job! A cone is a three-dimensional figure. It is made of a flat circular base and a curved surface. The top of the cone is the vertex. Can you name some objects that are cones? Good job! Prisms are 3D shapes which consist of two equal ends, flat surfaces or faces, and also have identical cross-section across its length. The prisms are named by the shape of their base. Here are some of the different types of prisms. Triangular prism. It is made up of 5 faces. The top and base are triangles. The other 3 sides can be rectangles or squares. Next is rectangular prism or cuboid. It is made up of 6 faces. All lateral faces have to be rectangles. The base of a cuboid can be rectangles or squares. The pentagonal prism. It is made up of 7 faces. The top and base are pentagons. The other five sides can be rectangles or squares. Hexagonal prism. It is made up of 8 faces. The top and base are hexagons. The other 6 sides can be rectangles or squares. Next are pyramids. Pyramids are 3D shapes whose outer faces are triangular and meet to a single point on the top. The pyramids are named by the shape of their base. The pyramid base can be of any shape such as triangular, square, quadrilateral, or in the shape of any polygon. The lateral faces of the pyramids are always triangles. Here are some of the most commonly used pyramids. Square pyramid. Its base is a square, and the 4 lateral faces are triangles. Pentagonal pyramid. The base is pentagon, and the 5 lateral faces are triangles. Do you remember the properties of the 3D shapes? Can you name some of the 3D shapes? Good job! Now, let's practice. Can you name this 3D shape? Good job! This is a cylinder. Can you name this 3D shape? Very good. This is a cube. Let's answer. My base is a square. I have 4 faces that are triangles. What 3D shape am I? Good job! It is a square pyramid. Let's answer. I am made up of 7 faces. My top and base are pentagons. The other 5 sides can be rectangles or squares. What 3D shape am I? Good job! It is a pentagonal prism. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Goodbye.